What's going on, fellas? Today was a great day. In this video, I'm going to go over my 2 day trades on MNQ. And today was a banger, bro. Look at this week. Is your boy goated at day trading? $367. First month ever day trading, ever on the low time frames. Your boy has the edge. And this comes from all of the amount of hours and hours and hours I've put into just reading the chart on the other time frames. It's all fractal. Shit's all the same, you know? Price moves from liquidity to liquidity pool to liquidity pool. There you go. Inbounds to high or low. Low or high to inbounds. Easy. But I also have a live video that I started recording right as I got into the trade. So you would only have me at, what is it? 190, and I needed that. I wanted a $200 a day. I was really begging. I was like, bro, just hit TP, dog. Hit TP. You guys can watch that after this, and that's very, very cool because you guys can see my emotions live and seeing how I process my thoughts and how I make decisions while feeling those live emotions. And I was feeling them because if we can go into the chart right here, we'll go over my trade and look at how slow this was. So by the time I got in right here to the time I got out, it was almost 20 something minutes. What is it? 20, yeah, 19, 20 minutes exactly. Yeah. So 20 minutes is way, way longer than my average duration of a trade. So yeah, let's just hop right into it and go over this real quick. So as we can see, you guys all know who trade this. Market has just been fucking flushing. Straight up, just the most ridiculous price action I've ever seen. Just straight down. We've literally gone down, in the last week, we've gone down how much? 8%. 1,700 points. Like, that's crazy, dude. That's actually ridiculous. But I'm anticipating some sort of retrace, obviously. If we go on the 4-hour or daily, like, there has to be some sort of retrace. We can't just go down forever. So now it's just a matter of waiting for all the lows to get swept and then seeing where price can show some reaction. So on NQ, we sweep all these lows. How could I show you guys an easier way? Well, we can do the highlighter actually. So yeah, see all these lows, this low as well. And then what do? I look on the daily for any sort of reason why price could react. And what do I see? I see a beautiful order block that created a huge impulse. Now this was key because look what's resting above it, equal highs or equal lows. So we sweep that, we hit this order block. So now I'm like, dude, we're bullish. And what really, really solidified my bias was this opening candle at 9:30. We sweep pre-market lows, London lows. We hit this order block, and then we get a huge wick out. Now you have to be aware of the wicks, guys. The wicks are key. So I was long. Now at this point in the market, when we make this candle right here, I know I'm going long. But now I have to wait for some sort of confirmation on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. And that confirmation is as simple as like a change in state delivery or a inverse or like a break of structure. So we get here, and look what happens here. We break structure right here. Boom. Let's change this up. No, bro. My bad, guys. So we break structure right here on the 5-minute and the 15-minute. So you gotta be really, really stupid to not see where price wants to go here. Boom. We come up. We break structure right here. The body open of this last green candle that caused this move down. We broke up with huge, very, very big momentum. And then what happens? Right? So now I'm looking at price and I'm like, where the hell can I get in? I originally wanted to target these highs right here. Boom. These highs here. But no entry was provided. We kind of just ripped up past it. So the next thing I did was, okay, we made a bearish candle on the 5-minute, right? And then we have a high here. So I drew the fib to the range. On the 1-minute, it's very clear from this low to this high. And now I'm just looking to catch a continuation from this range. But before that, we can go into here, and obviously I'm bullish, right? But my big issue is, like, where do I put my take profits? Like, where are my targets? Where's my draw on liquidity? So what I did was I drew the fib from this hourly high to this hourly low, and just to be safe, I knew I didn't want to long past this level here. Past this level right here, this equilibrium level, I knew I didn't want to long past that because we're in a hourly. We're obviously still bearish on the hourly and all the time frames, but I don't want to be longing into this fair value gap, this hourly fair value gap. Not for me. Okay. You guys could do that and anticipate a move up to take out these highs, equal highs. But for me, I like to use the hourly structure as the hourly structure is very important to me, and I do not want to be longing into a premium of a bearish range. I just don't. I'm fine longing down here, right? But not at that level. So let's take that fib again. Boom, top to bottom here. You can see I put a marker there. And then I also put another take profit level for the start of this fair value gap. But we can erase that because price didn't hit that. But so that's my overall draw. Equilibrium of this huge range. Middle of a fair value gap too. Seemed pretty decent. Maybe I should have, looking back, maybe I should have put it right here. Just at the beginning of this 15-minute range. And this would have, I would have netted a little bit more profit there. But that's... actually I would have done that, but we already took that level out with this previous move up. So my next target was that equilibrium level. I thought we were for sure gonna smack that. But let's go through let's delete that and let's go through the trade real quick. So what do I do here? Boom, boom. So I see on the 1-minute we make a huge impulsive move up. So, and my target still wasn't hit, so this trade idea is still valid. So what do? I look at the bottom of the range and I go to the top of the range, and I try to wait for price to come back into a discount, and then I try to get a change in state I try to get an entry basically. So my confirmation is set, my target is set. I wait for price to come into a discount. I look for what I need to see before I go long, and I saw this right here. Let me see. Boom, this level right here. Break of structure here. You guys can ask why this level. If we look closely, the high of this green candle caused this move down. So as soon as we break up with displacement, I set my market order right at this level. And before I do that, we can go and show my executions, just so you guys know I'm not capping. Boom, enter on this candle, stop loss on this candle, right? And I also had another trade here, 30-second, and this was because I knew this level was gonna get taken. We can go through that real quick, low key. So here, I knew that was gonna get taken, right? So what do I do here? This is a real degenerate trade, by the way. Really stupid. But I see on the 30-second, we inverse this for value gap. So I basically just enter, like, randomly, right? Really bad trade, honestly. But my target was this high right here, and I was very sure we were gonna take that out. So I waited for this inverse, entered right here so I can get a better entry. Stop loss down here, target TP right there. Decent trade, made about 120 off that trade. But that's not important. I don't really want to talk about that trade because it wasn't a good trade. But let's go back to the 1-minute. All right. So now you guys see I enter on this candle right here. Boom. Put my stop loss at this level. and set my TP to right here. Now let's go through the management of this trade. Right? I enter on this candle, price comes down, and I truly thought I was gonna get stopped out. I was completely okay with it, like whatever. Good trade idea. Had a target, had good confirmation on the 5-minute, 15-minute, everything was chilling. But we come back up and we slowly move up. And once we got to this level, I had one TP here to sell one contract, another here to sell the last runner. And once we get to this level, I was like, all right, bro. If we look, let's take this off. If price is gonna go and take out these targets, we're probably not gonna break 1 minute structure again, and I don't want to risk that. So as this move was going up, I was moving my stop loss. So originally it was here. Once we made this push up, I moved it to around like this level, then this level, then this level, then this level, and then I was like, okay, like we're edging hard here. And so then I moved it to this level because I wanted to get the $200 day. But this was beautiful trade management, because as you see, we never ended up hitting my take profit, and then we went and sold off and would have stopped me out. So boom, beautiful trade management. Everything was on point, feeling real confident, and now we're just ranging. Nothing really to do here. But yeah, that's beautiful trade. We can go into my what's it called? Let's go pull up my thing. We can go pull up this video. Not this one, dude. Come on now. Oh, you mean the cafe here?
Sure, here.
So let's see.
8, 7, 6.
So look, I'm counting down, right? And I'm waiting for that price to change state delivery.
No.
We don't get it. Staying patient. I'm in a cafe right here, so the audio is kind of messed up.
Here we go.
Here we go. I'm ready to buy too, market. As soon as this candle closes, I'm ready. As soon as this 1 minute candle closes.
Come on, bro. Let's see some things. Let's see some power.
I wanted to see some displacement, real conviction that price was gonna go higher. Boom, once I saw that little jolt, I was like, alright, this is happening. We're entering. Stop loss down there. 2 contracts, there you go. And we immediately go into drawdown, which isn't ideal. We can skip ahead. My mentor. Look, at this point, I really thought I was gonna stop out. Look at my face.
Looking good. We're gonna get stopped out here.
Yeah. We can move my thing to the other side, so you can see my actual face. Actually, what am I doing? What the fuck? Oh.
Man, this is
I was tweaking out here big time. But I was very confident in the trade idea. So I was like, okay, whatever happens. Like, even if I lost this trade, it would have only been a $20 loss on the day because I already had a winner. So I was very okay with losing this trade. So price just ranges for a little bit. Look at all these candles. I was in drawdown for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. My trade's usually done 5, 6 minutes. In my head, I'm like, dude, if this hits TP, that's a fucking crazy YouTube. It's crazy because at this point, when you're watching price, you really have zero control over anything. Like, your order's in. You gotta be able to not do anything stupid. Like, don't add, don't move your stop, don't move your TP.
Is your boy goated at day trading?
Is your boy goated?
Is your boy actually gonna make money finally?
Dude, there's an edge, bro. I'm telling you, people don't believe it. You really gotta believe that you're able to make money in these markets, or else you never will. You'll take bad trades that reinforce that belief. Like, if you understand the concepts, liquidity sweeps, breaks of structure, imbalances, you know, market ranges, equilibrium, discount, premium, it's really hard to, like, make terrible decisions. Look, we start ripping up a little bit. But yeah. I'm just on my phone here trying to distract myself a little bit, responding to some text messages.
Does he come all the way back down?
So when did I move my stop? This is when I start moving my stop around. Dude, I have 10-month-old contacts, so if I'm...
Right here.
Yeah, I was moving my stop because I was like, if price comes down, breaks structure, that's the trade's over. Like, this is the push to hit TP. If we don't hit TP on this push, that's it for me. I'm out.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately.
I was already planning, like, what if this trade goes against? Where does it make sense for where, like, if price breaks this point, my TP probably is gonna get hit. You have to find that level and then move your stop to that level, because once you lose confidence in the trade, why are you in it? Let's get the fuck out. You know, cut your losers. Cut your losers small. Let your winners be big.
All the way back down.
Don't take the full $200 loss. If price moves in your direction and starts coming against you, get out. But look, it just edges me so much. Then we start getting this big push. I thought I was gonna hit it. But look, no, we're so close, Look at how close it is. Now I'm like, fuck, dude. Here I'm like, fuck. I was like, no way. You gotta move the stop, boys. You cannot get caught. On the 32nd, I was looking for any reason to not move my stop even more. But I saw it. I made 120. This $70 level would only have me at, what is it? 190. And I needed that. I wanted a $200 a day. I was really begging. I was like, bro, just hit TP, dog. Hit TP. Look at how close we are. This shit is crazy, bro. Don't do that.
Don't do that. I'm so good. Come on. Come on.
Don't do that?
I'm still there, like, I got this excitement in my, like, right here. I'm like, hey, I'm like, oh my god, this is happening. But it's not really what you want.
So when do I move this stop? I start moving it. Look, it starts moving down. I'm like, dude, I want this $200 a day. Fuck it. Make $100 off this. I'm out. Yeah. Boom. Out.
Such bullshit, bro.
I was like, this is such bullshit.
I need $200 days.
And I was kind of confused because I know when you have the Express account, you need 5 $200 days to get your payout. But on the combat, I don't think it matters. I don't think you that really like, you know what I mean. I don't think that matters at all.
So let's stop that right around there.
Yeah, that's it. Send it to my
Of
Discord.
course, it's gonna go to my TP.
I thought I was gonna go to TP,
Oh,
but
shit, it's hot.
shit didn't. But yeah, that was the trade today. We can go over our monthly stats for February. Very decent. Very decent first month day trading on the Top Step account. Look, no trades January. So this was my first month. Made $367. Beautiful last week. Beautiful. Showing signs of consistency too. Like, out of 14 trades, 65 win percentage, 1.04, my 1.04 profit factor of 1.87, pretty decent. I'll probably make a video going over my February statistics probably this weekend, but for right now, that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good weekend. Wish me luck in my jiu-jitsu competition. I'll also upload a video of my highlights. Surely we get another gold medal here. Nobody's on my level. I don't think so. Unless I'm going to more of a competitive scene. I think Grappling Industries, it's pretty much a lock for me. But yeah, that'll do it. See you guys next week. Deuces.